guard here. Let me show you something. There it is. It's Spike. Hey, Spike. This is special. This is Spike. But I also wanted to show you something else too. So Spike's he's just gonna help, right, Spike? Okay. So on to the actual meat and potatoes of this video. Some people have noticed that I have these stretchy straps securing stuff. Well, this is like my rug for going outside of the campground, and this is my refrigerator shield that I made to go on the outside of the van. And looking for a place to put them, I got these handles like this. There's one on each side, and I thought this would be a great place to store them. Well, I have these stretches. They're called Rapids. Originally, I found out about them from Pleasureway, because Pleasureway mailed out these to almost everybody on the Pleasureway because of the awnings that would open up spontaneously while driving down the highway occasionally. So they gave everybody these to secure their awnings until the awnings could be updated with the proper stuff. But I use them for other stuff, and I really like them. So let's go inside and I'll show you more about them. So step on inside. Go on in, Spike. Alright, well, this is the pack. It's called Rapid Storage. And this right here, these ones I think are the 2 foot long ones. No, 32 inches. These are 32 inches. And I'll put a link in at the end of the video. I got a 4-pack of them. And they're 32 inches long. They're really pretty neat. I guess when I say 32 inches long, they stretch out to 32. Because that's not 32. But what's really cool, like for example, these are some of my more outside magnets that I built to shields to block sun. Because the sun is really brutal in places. And if you can keep it outside of the van, that's like half the battle. So I can roll these up like this and take one of these straps and they make them in different lengths and all that too. So these are the 32 inch ones.
What size are the ones on the door right now?
They're 32 inch also. But you can get smaller ones, and you can just take them like this and you can wrap them up. And as long as you can get the Velcro somewhere, it'll stick. But what's really cool is if you have these shades, you can take them like this. Let's say I'm going to do them all. That was just one example of wrapping. But you can take them. Because these are kind of bulky, and you say, well, where do you keep them? Well, there's several places you can keep them. It's a little awkward wrapping them up, but they're well worth the effort of keeping the van cool. And the Velcro's on one way. I always seem to do it the wrong direction at first. There we go. So you just wrap it up like this. And secure them. But what you can do, which is pretty neat, is you can take them like, let's say over here, I could take 2 of them. And just secure them from the ceiling. that. And there we go. I mean, it's a place you can hang some stuff on these, because these are very light and they're not much weight to them. And if you had to open your cabinet, you know, it's like, well, you can still get in there if you needed to, or you can just take them down. But it's a great place. You can just hang these. You can use them for all sorts of stuff. We have them on their rugs out front on the hook. You can just, they're very handy. They have them in different sizes. So this is a pretty useful thing in my book. I like them. So if you got any questions, just leave a comment. I'll leave a link to them in the video below. And that's it for a wrap, as they say, a wrap. Well, folks, that's a wrap.